Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we are going to add some basics anatomy of Markhor body. So as you can see, I have previewed this model in EV and cycles render engine. Now first go into sculpt mode and sculpt tab, then start sculpting the main body. Make sure to enable symmetry, mirror X, and use draw brush for both sides. Add basic proportions of Markhor body. Do not forget to use reference images. With very basic levels of geometry, you can have shape of body, and do not forget to shade smooth. Now select the neck part and apply the modifier, and also sculpt it with neck proportions. Shade smooth, then go for head, and same method as body and as neck. Use clay strip brush instead of draw brush in face head mode. So now you can see we have completed the base mesh sculpting of head, neck and body. In the next video we will do more. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.